So from what I understand, this is fully adjustable.
Specification is a lot.
3 different height settings.
Hello YouTube world. Today we're looking at Robens Cookery King. It's very similar to Trangia cook set. So why buy this instead of Trangia? And firstly, cost. This was £68 from Amazon and it's fully hard-anodized. The Trangia, with a similar specification, is a lot dearer. And quite frankly, it wasn't in my budget. The other reason is versatility. And I'll get into that in just a moment. But first, let's get it out and have a look. It's nice and compact. Bag's very tight. There we go. Out of the way. It's got a strap. Keep it all together. That to one side. It's also got a lid, something the Trangia doesn't have. Take him out and have a look. Nice lid. Inside, I've also got a pot grabber. There we go. We've got a Trangia style burner. As you can see, Trangia knockoff. Looks almost identical apart from the additional piece on there to help you with simmering, which is quite a good idea. Let's compare that to my Trangia. This is a new one. My other one died after many years of faithful use. It developed a crack and it was pretty much useless. So there we go. On the base, pretty much identical. Let's move them out of the way. What else have we got? Let's put him to one side for a minute. I'll get to that in a minute. And, here's your 1400ml pot. Looks to be very good quality because it's hard-anodized. It's quite strong. There's no flexibility in that at all, which is a good thing. It's got a mark there to show you where a litre is, and obviously the lid will go on. So far all good. I'm very impressed. Move that to one side. Then we've got the 1700ml pot. Not much more to say about this one really. Exactly the same as the 1400, but he's got a mark there at 1.2 litres or 1200ml. So that's quite useful. Again, it's very tough. Got a small cutting board. It's quite nice. We've also got a frying pan. The frying pan's 19 centimeters according to the instructions on the box. Just about. It's not perfect. Could do a bit a couple of mil bigger. Maybe that's just because it's new. Obviously, if you ram it on there, it's going to get stuck. So, okay, there's a minus point there. Lid goes on there absolutely fine. And also on the main pot. So that's all good. Obviously, frying pan also acts as a lid on there. And it'll act as a lid on there as well. In fact, that's a very good fit. If you had something warming up on top of there, some rolls or whatever you had, whilst you was cooking your lunch, then that would work out very well. Right, let's move on to the windshield. Another piece. Windshield, very similar to the Trangia, comes in two pieces. The base is very similar to the Trangia. The top's got a few more holes in it, and I'll explain why soon. See how well it fits. Nice and solid, that's not going to fall apart. As you can see, this differs in style from the Trangia cook set. Excuse me, I lose my voice. The Trangia cook set has some clips that come down, I believe it's 3, in order you can put the pots in the middle. This has got a slightly different system. You get this firstly, that slots in to put your burner in, and you also get this. I'll just throw it out of the way now, which is an adjustable height ring. So from what I understand, this is fully adjustable, 3 different height settings, should you need them. That's a bit of a faff. Obviously when that was lit, I suppose the best way to do it would be from the outside. Is it a good design or not? I don't know. I'll find out when I use it. Take that out for now. There we go. Burner. Sits in there nicely. Obviously I'm not selling this to you, it's fine, I'm not selling it to myself. I guess that's going to take some getting used to. There we go. Should have enough height there. Obviously the pot goes inside your windshield. Same with the 1700. And also the frying pan. The frying pan sits in there beautifully. I said to you there was 2 reasons I bought this. One was the cost, and I must say the build quality seems to be pretty much excellent. Apart from the cost, there was the other advantage whereby this plate can be removed. So if you have another burner, not a Trangia style, but something bigger, a bit like Pathfinder stove, you could place that in the middle no problem at all. Obviously you wouldn't need this ring, but you could then he says, finally, put your pot stand there and cook on top. This here, I'm not sure whether I like it or not. Maybe it just takes a bit of getting used to. So, move that out of the way for a minute. We know it'll work with the Pathfinder, no problem at all. We know it'll work with the Trangia style. What happens if we had something else? I just happen to have, haven't you? The much loved burner. He fits in there as well. So if you wanted a lot more power coming out your burner, use one of these. There's one other thing about this. If you've got a gas stove and you just wanted to use that as a windshield, then you could do so. I happen to have a gas burner here. Just about. I was beginning to think he wasn't going to go through then. Okay. It's got nice wide wings on it. Open them up inside. There you go. And you've got a good solid gas option should you require it. So all in all, it's a very versatile piece of kit. And I'm looking forward to going out and using it. So there you have it. If you wanted to get yourself a hard-anodized cook set similar to the Trangia, which is very versatile, take different burners, excellent build quality, and it'll even cook a small chicken, then this may be for you.